Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says for two data sets, each of size 5. Okay, so n1 is 5 and 2 is 5. The variance are given by 4 and 5. So, the variance 1 is 4 and the variance 2 is 5. And the corresponding means are given by mean 1 is 2, mean 2 is 4 respectively. Then find the variance of combined data. So you know that this question belongs to the grouping category and we have a formula associated with that, and it goes this way. The variance of all combined set n1 variance 1, n2 variance 2 upon n1 plus n2 plus n1 n2 upon n1 plus n2 whole square, then mean 1 minus mean 2 square. I hope till this part you guys are okay. You have to apply the formula, that's it. Now n1 variance 1, so it is 20, n2 variance 2, 25, n1 plus n2 10, n1 n2 25, n1 plus n2 whole square, so 10 whole square is 100. Then we have mu1 minus mu2 square, so 4 minus 2 is 2, 2 square is 4, so 2 square is 4, so it is 100, so it is 1. Now this thing will become what? 45. So can I say it is 4.5 plus 1, so it is 5.5. Hence the variance of required data set is 5.5. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of Mathflix.